one secret that I use. And hopefully, ganun din ka-epektibo sa inyo. JCUTMoto. Whoops. Bye-bye, kuku. Hello everyone, this is your boy Bakla Tomboy, JCUTMoto, coming at you in Inupakan, Leyte. Today, I'm gonna be going to Hilongos. Magpapagas lang, 1 bar. Hopefully, makaabot pa to. Before anything else, nagmumusta lang sa inyong lahat. Mga paps, mga bay, mga ko. Kamusta kayong lahat dyan? Naway, mabuti pa ang mga lagay ninyo dyan. Anyway, may sikreto nga pala akong ikukwento sa inyo. Paano maka-bypass or paano hindi masita or yung hindi ka na pinapara sa mga checkpoint. This is based on my experience. Hindi ako pinapara most of the time. Mga 80% of the time. And I have this one secret that anyway, kaya nga sabi ko sana nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan lahat dyan. Sana mabuti yung mga lagay nyo. You know what I mean? Rated is PG. Anyway, si Pops Roland Pangilinan, he is always asking me about the new Sniper 150. When will it be coming out? Kailan kaya ito lalabas? But based on my observation, my readings, my research, so far wala pa talagang balita kailan ilalabas yung Sniper 150. But this is based on my haka-haka or my hula. Kasi sinabi ni Badam Auring. Kasi based on the previous releases from the Sniper 135 to Sniper 150, around 4 years, I think 2011 to then 2015 nilabas yung Sniper 150. And then after that, ngayon, so 4 years, so 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So my hula, ang hula ko is, it would be released around September next year. So if you are planning to buy the new Sniper 150, if you have the patience, just wait around next year. Yep, next year pa po yan. Hopefully September if I'm not mistaken. My aso. Okay, aso. Banking. Okay, so previously I've discussed about cornering, but there are some things I did not mention like trail braking. So basically trail braking is more on gradual or while leaning your bike, naka-brake ka pa rin, but it's more of an advanced technique na siya when it comes to riding. So far sa mga nakikita ko sa mga rides namin, I've only seen one person or maybe two endurance riders, mga mabibilis silang magpatakbo. Cornering that I've discussed in my previous monovlog is more on the basic side. Trail braking is, as for me, advanced na talaga siya. I am not going to discuss more about it, but if you would like to, there are people that have discussed it. But anyway, we'll be talking about what are the reasons or the top 3 reasons that you might want to start using a camera or an action camera, helmet camera for that matter. I will give you 3 reasons possibly magagamit nyo. Number 1 is basically riding with a helmet camera is for documentation purposes. Para sa mga ride nyo, gusto nyo makita yung banking session nyo, well, you have to use your action camera. I'm not going to specify a brand here. Let's just generalize na lang na action camera. That's the number 1 reason that I bought a camera before. Way back, di pa ako nagmo-motovlog. I am already using, or way back 2015. I forgot nga pala. I just recently changed oil with my motorcycle. And then, napansin nyo, kahit bagong change oil yung motor nyo, and then medyo sablay pa rin, napapansin ko na dapat na akong mag-change oil aside from following a regular schedule, is that what I usually feel is medyo ma-vibrate na ang makina or yung andar niya. At saka yung pag-change mo ng gear, hindi na siya smooth in terms of changing gears. Kung nag-change oil na kayo after changing oil, and still, medyo di pa rin smooth yung transition ng gears nyo from first to third gear, might as well na naman, you might want to check your chain, your engine sprocket area. Tapos, linisin yung engine sprocket na area nyo. Tapos, yung pati na rin rear sprocket na area nyo. Tapos, yung kadena na rin. Just like what I did yesterday, I did it with my XRM.
Now, I've done cleaning this area right here. So, tinanggal ko po itong dalawang to. Tapos, nag-brush sa kadena ng konti. And then clean this area right here, and then clean the slider right here and right there, and then basically install it back.
2 days ago, ginawa ko rin yan sa Sniper 150. Unfortunately, hindi ko na video. So far, after doing that, after cleaning my engine sprocket, rear sprocket, and my chain, so far, yung under niya, smooth na, yung transition na. Saka di na masyadong maingay yung kadena ng motor ko. Yun nga pala yung dapat ko i-share before discussing about the helmet camera. But anyway, helmet camera, first thing is for documentation. That's the first reason for rides, for documentation. But even if di ako nagra-ride, yung mga ride namin, I am still using 90% of the time my helmet camera for day-to-day use. Why? It's sort of personal dash cam. So kung may dash cam yung mga V-hires, mga van, mga private vehicles na 4 wheels, I am also using this camera of mine as my personal dash cam. Because sa panahon ngayon, worst case scenario lang, napasama ka sa disgrasya and you have to settle it in court. Malaki ang gamit ng camera mo. Footage ng camera mo, magagamit mo yan sa mga legal purposes. Not what you know, but it's what you can prove sa court. Meron kang evidence. May ebidensya ka na ito yung nangyari. Well, that is kung tama yung ginawa mo or tama or nasa lugar ka. But unfortunately, if ikaw yung wala sa lugar, then yun yung mahirap. That is the important reason why I am always using my camera or wearing my camera most of the time. Anyway, going back to the third reason. So the first reason was for documentation. The second reason is a personal dash cam for legal purposes. Mabilis na yung papatakbo natin. Nagagas na tayo. So far, nag-decrease naman yung price ng gas natin from 55, 56. So far, 51 pesos na po yung gas na. For ibigay sa inyo yung last reason. So far, it's been a long time na nakapagpatakbo ako ng ganun kabilis. Medyo malawak naman yung lugar doon. Anyway, go back to the topic. The last reason that I am telling you or I'm gonna be telling you about is also the secret that di tayo pinapara most of the time ng mga checkpoints because of this camera right here. Yes, my helmet camera. Well, there have been twice na napara ako sa checkpoint tapos tinanong ako if the camera is recording. So pag sabi ko, yes sir, nagre-record po yan. After that, di na niya hiningi yung, he did not continue asking for my registration, my license. Kasi sino ba namang sigurong masamang tao na magdadala pa ng action camera, di ba? Don't get me wrong, I'm not telling you to escape from the checkpoint or from any authorities na nagche-checkpoint dyan, lalo na ngayon which is malapit ng eleksyon. Expected na po yan na maraming checkpoint. So I'm not telling you na dapat mong iwasan yung mga checkpoint. Kung hindi ka naman masamang tao, kumpleto ka sa papel, there is no reason for you to be afraid of checkpoints. But then again, kung ayaw mong maabala tapos nagmamadali ka, well, this is one secret that you should do. Not necessarily na this will work 100% of the time, but so far sa experience ko, 80% of the time, at least, di ba? Proven and tested na to eh. Kahit malapit lang ang yung tinatakbo ng motor ko, naka-helmet camera ako. Well, in Mindanao also, during nag-ride kami, way backwards, maraming mga checkpoints doon eh. Kasi bago pa lang yung Marawi na liberate ng mga time na yon. So during that time, sa pagkadami-daming checkpoint, 2 beses lang kami na pinara. Ang sikreto talaga, based on my experience, is simply wearing a helmet or camera, an action camera. I'm not telling you na iwasan sila, but kaya nang sabi ko earlier, if mamadali ka, maybe having a helmet camera would spare you the time of being good, parahin ka para inspeksyonin. So that's one secret that I use, and hopefully ganun din ka-epektibo sa inyo if you have the camera. But I'm not saying na bumili ka ng camera, but if you have the budget for that, you might try. The most important for me or reason for that is the legal purposes of gaya ng sabi ko, or sa panahon ngayon, it's not what you know but what you can prove in the court. So in case na ma-involve ka sa mga accident, having this camera for your legal purpose, recording it for your legal purpose. I'm not saying na gusto kong ma-involve sa aksidente or any of those kind of things. At least, it's better to have one and don't need it than having none unneeded, right? Banking muna tayo ng konti. Let's do the banking. Oops, do not overtake, puppy. So I guess I'm doing this moto vlog right here, but before doing so, I have to leave you with this poem. Roses are red, violets are blue. Kikita nyo nung nasa likod, may bata siyang dala, tapos ang bilis-bilis magpatakbo. What the heck? Hey! Roses are red, violets are blue. If you're planning to buy a camera, make sure to use it for your rides, bro. But that's about it. This is your boy JCUTMoto saying you bye-bye.